Hey guys, I love the idea of a blind date with a book. So I want to show you how I created these because they are such a no-brainer for gift ideas. The center one can also be used as a centerpiece or even a raffle giveaway. These books I actually found at my local Dollar Tree, and I use just regular Whole Foods or even my Trader Joe's paper round shopping bags to wrap them up in. I love the look of a brown wrapped package. Loving this tutorial? Please subscribe so you can stay up to date with all my latest videos. And with the same paper brown bag, whatever was left over, I used to create the tag. And this here is my Martha Stewart paper punch, which I really never found a use for until I put together this centerpiece. How adorable. This makes a beautiful centerpiece, a giveaway, you name it. It's just adorable. And now you can put this in a tote, a basket, anything you want. How great is that? So I really hope you enjoyed this video and that it inspired you to create some blind date with a book idea as well. It's really such a no-brainer gift idea. So if you really love DIYs like this, why don't you also check out this video here where you can also make these really great positive affirmation clips as a gift as well. Anyway, thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.